Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add photos or videos to your Google Drive. So first of all guys, make sure to download your Google Drive application. And if you already have it, make sure that you update it to the latest version. And now open up your Google Drive app. You will be in your home menu. And as you can see, this is the photos and the videos that I've already added to my Google Drive. Now, in order to add a video or a photo to your Google Drive, all you guys need to do is to click on the plus icon from over here and then tap on Upload. And now as you can see, we have our photos and videos all together. If you just want to add images, make sure to tap on the images option in the top corner. And then for example, let's choose these 3 pictures. So click and hold the pictures you want and then tap on Select at the top right corner. And as you can see, the 3 photos has been added to my Google Drive. So you just need to repeat the same process for videos or another photos that you want to add. And that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can add photos or videos to your Google Drive. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.